number one goal is to make consistency. Consistency. I don't care about labor. Consistency. This come in perfectly because it mimics like a chef. I can imprint how the way I cook into that.
Yeah, that's what I like.
People are a lot more happier with our food now. My name is Tu. I'm one of those Vietnamese refugees that actually, after the wars, we escaped in a little boat. As an immigrant, I came here when I was 12 years old. I have to start everything from the bottom up, right? I didn't know how to say ABC. Make matter worse, when I was in refugee camp for 2 years, I didn't go to school. On top of that, you start out with nothing. Here, I saw the opportunity and opened my first restaurant in 1998. The first year, we fell miserably. We lost so much money, we almost shut down. Staffing is one of the number one challenge for every restaurateur. They get fatigued, they get tired, they get injured. For example, a chow mein, you need 10 turns. But because they're fatigued, they take 6 turns. So therefore the noodle is not wrapped up with the consistency with the sauce. That being said, since the robot come in place, that went away. Because now we program and the robot do their rotation. They can't just say, well, let's stop at 6. Human will. I recommend to anybody. Currently, I have 3 in operation. I just ordered 2 more and then another 2 more by end of the year. So total 7. What I love is that I can train that particular robot, cook the way I want. I'm not looking to replace our chef. I'm looking to enhance our chef. It definitely enhances our quality. We do have a score every week that we have the response from our guests, and our score consistently getting better, and our sales are starting getting better. The biggest cost of operations is our workers' comp and insurance costs. We do have a lot of injury before our robots, especially staffs get a lot less tired, a lot more happier. Because when they're tired, fatigued, they go out more. My dream is to expand, probably 10 more restaurants, but I'm getting old. As I've been doing it 30 plus years, success more is time, more freedom, spend time with my family. Everything we do and moving forward in our future expansion have to be involved with robotics. Make it easy for our staff, be able to handle and to work with us for a long time. I want them to actually fall in love with the industry and stay with us and retire with us. When I cook something, create something, and the client or guest love it and come back for it. They make me happy to go even work harder for the guests. On that regard,